Hello and hi, Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Saratulisa binti Syamuddin and my metric number is A170635. Okay, today I would like to present my poster with a title is A Study of the Factor that Influence Women Consumer to Choose Spin Transportation in Kuala Lumpur. Let's take a look at the poster. For the first part is introduction. What is public transportation? Public transportation or public transit include all transportation systems where passengers do not move using their own vehicle. For example, train, monorail, commuter, bus, grab, and so on. As we know, public transport is the main system that moves people in daily life, right? However, there are many cases that occur involving public transport, especially to female consumers. The Crime Act, for example, is sexual harassment, theft, bully by tongue, picking pocket, and so on. So, due to this issue and this problem, pink transportation has been introduced. Okay, what is pink transportation? Okay, pink transportation is a transport built specially for women only, where pink is a symbolic for women. In Malaysia, we have two types of public transportation that focus on women passenger only, which are KTM and My Rapid Bus Kuala Lumpur. Okay, in this study, we have three objectives, which are: first, we want to measure the relationship between safety and security and intention to choose pink transportation in Kuala Lumpur. And the second one is to measure the relationship also between station facility and intention women consumer to choose pink transportation in Kuala Lumpur. And the last one is to measure the relationship between the passenger travel time and intention women consumer to choose pink transportation in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, we move to the next part, which is material and methodology. Okay, in material and methodology, for this study, I use quantitative analysis and non-probability sampling were used to the sampling design in this study. For the questionnaire, I use questionnaire gathered to quantitative analysis with 5-point Likert scala, and in this questionnaire we have three sections, which is section A for demographic, section B for independent variable, section C for dependent variable. So, the number of target population was recorded 94,455 women consumers who are used the service of KTM commuter and My Rapid Bus Kuala Lumpur. Refer to the table sampling size by Morgan 1970, 383 respondents was recorded. In this study, I used four types of statistic analysis. For data respondent, I use four types, which is descriptive analysis, reliability analysis, superman correlation, and lastly, multiple regression analysis. Okay, we move to the another part, which is result. Okay, in this study, we have three independent variable and one dependent variable, which is for the IV independent variable, we have safety and security, station facility, passenger travel time, and dependent variable, we have intention women consumer to choose pink transportation in Kuala Lumpur. Okay, based on the poster, you can see that in the result part, we have three tables for the analysis. First, we have reliability task, supplement correlation analysis, and we have multiple regression analysis. Okay, we go to the first table, which is reliability task. Based on this table, we can see that all of the items, independent variable and dependent variable, in this study can be accepted, and they was positively correlated in each other. Okay, next, we go through to the supplement correlation analysis. Okay, based on this table, you can see that majority all of the independent variable has a moderate positive relationship with dependent variable. It is because of the correlation coefficient value and significant value. While there is one independent variable, which is safety and security, has slightly weak but definite relationship with dependent variable. Okay, we go to the last table, which is multiple regression. Okay, for multiple regression analysis, I can conclude that we can see that IV2 and IV3, which is station facility and the passenger travel time have a significant relationship with dependent variable. This is because we can see at the table station facility and the passenger travel time have significant 0.00 for the significant value, while for the IV1 station for IV1 safety and security, for the significant value we have 0.174 for significant value that we can conclude at here. IV1 no significant relationship with dependent variable. Okay. Next we go to the conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion, in this study, the main of this research is to investigate the relationship between the factor that influence women consumer to choose plane transportation with intention women consumer to choose plane transportation in Kuala Lumpur. So I can conclude that station facility and the passenger travel time had a significant positive correlation based on the result task analysis statistic. And I can say that station facility and the passenger travel time have relationship between intention women consumer to choose plane transportation. So public transport company can improve their transportation performance. That's all from me. Thank you.